spoken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Hello guys! Magandang gabi sa ating lahat or magandang araw. Today is Thursday pala guys. At ngayon ay maglilinis ako sa fridge namin kasi kailangan ng linisin kasi yan namin ng basta marami ng dumi. So after cleaning my fridge guys, gagawa din ako ng gagawin ko rin yung ginagawa ni Ate Cindy from Australia, yung what's inside in your fridge. So yeah, but before that, I'm going to clean because it needs to be cleaned first. So, let's begin the cleaning session. So,
I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.
hello guys! Yun, tapos na akong maglinis sa aming fridge kasi na-inspire akong manood sa mga linis-linis ba. So, gagawin natin yung ginagawa ni Ate Cindy from Australia, yung what is in your fridge. So, anong tawag doon? Sundog tayo. Gawin din natin kung anong laman ng aming fridge. Maliit lang yung fridge namin ba. Maliit lang din ang laman. Charan! So, this is it. Pansit. So, ito, bumubunga sa atin yung beer ni asawa. So, dyan ang niya, lagayan. Paglagyan mo yan ng ibang bagay na magagalit yan. So, dito, ito is cheese. Egg. Hindi namin nilagay ang egg dito kasi, hindi rin naman siya magkasya. So, dito na lang. Wala kami organizer ba. Caviar. Shinka. Pang ng bread. Ito din. Alaman. Salami. Ito na, salami. Butter. Meron din kanina pa lang namin to binili. Spaghetti with meatballs. Baon ni asawa bukas. Bukas is Friday. This one is, ito ang sardinas dito guys. Ito ay mackerel ang pangalan. Itong forma ng Mackerel o sardinas. Meron ding malaki. Malaki at maliit. Ito is goat cheese. Brown cheese. Masarap ito guys. This is Norwegian, anong tawag? Specialty or basta. Cola. Dito naman cola. This is Rekish salad. Yung tawag ito. This is shrimp salad. Meron din tayong bagoong. Bagoong. This is jam. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan dyan sa English ba. This one is cream. Para magluto. Yeah. Then, ewan ko. This is cheese again. Dito sa baba is this one, Faris ang pangalan, water siya na may bubbles. May ano din siya, taste na lemon. This one is salad. Juice, milk, strawberry jam, doon ketchup, sinip yung nasa ano. Dito sa baba is potatoes, onions. See, hindi kami organized ba? Lemongrass, mayroon ding broccoli, carrots. So, yun. Garlic na sa ilalim. So, yun. Dito, milk. Hamburger dressing, sweet chili sauce. This one is liquid butter. Ito ang ginagamit namin pag nagluto kami, guys. And this is chili sauce ni asawa, grill oil, pizza toppings or dressing, green sauce, basilico fresco, tabasco, tran. This is tran, guys, is from oil fish. Importante to dito, lalo na ngayong winter kasi walang araw. So, kailangan namin ng vitamin D. So, yan. Cucumber, parmesan cheese. Meron din cheese din ito. Gagawa kami ng, anong tawag? Ewan ko. Baked potato. So, ito ang gagamitin pag masarap yan. This one is butter, so this one is cheese. So, yun. Ito ang mga laman. So, ito ang laman sa fridge namin. Hindi naman siya organized ba. So, dito sa baba is freezer. Ito is meatballs. Ito ang nasa loob. Bacon. Snooze. Ice cream. Na walang pangalan. Pizza para bukas. Friday is pizza day. May bacon din doon. Meron din ganito. Salami. Snooze. Alam nyo yung what is snooze? And this is meat. Schnitzel. Doon. Kita ba? Schnitzel. So, iwan ko ano ito, parang hot dogs na. So, yun lang. Yun lang, guys. So, yun. Tapos na ako. What's inside in your fridge? So, yun. Gabi na ngayon dito, guys. It is 11 past 8 ng gabi. Yung anak ko hindi pa natulog ba? Kasi busy ako dito. Busy nag-video-video ba? So, yun guys. Thank you. So, thank you for watching guys. See you on my next video.